first water sign. And summer solstice is this, the beginning of. The day for us is the strongest. Now, personality, with all that the previous three have been doing, now we must have somebody that has been born physically, has strengthened its muscles, Aries, then has gathered some material possessions to reinforce itself in Taurus, and in Gemini has become a bit, has exercised its intelligence, learned to communicate and so on. And now in Cancer, what is happening is that we are looking for our center, we're looking to ground ourselves, to make a circle around ourselves and say, that's my territory. This is now who I am. That's my already personality, if I can say so. But still that personality hasn't shown itself, it hasn't done anything, but at least it needs to have this sense of own personality. And for that, it's the one that's related to the home and the family, this sign. It's very homely, very family oriented, because in the home, this is one of the many possible ways, the most usual way, somebody can find retreat into its own place, that nobody bothers you there. And you've got there only your husband, your children, and that's pretty much it, and or maybe even nobody, but this is your place. There you are hiding kind of yourself, again it's a feminine sign, from the world, because you're trying to find strength in your ground, and you are very sensitive if you are Cancer, if you have a lot of Cancer, and water is sensitive in a way that anything can hurt it. This is the sign of the moon. The moon, what I told you about the moon, my individual needs, my desires every day, what I need to feel good, is because that sign and this energy in general is about the feelings and the moods. Everything gets in with Cancer. It senses other people's moods and feelings, and it's also very easily hurt by other people's actions, which is like the crab that's symbolizing Cancer is an animal that goes back into its shell or travels backwards or makes 2 steps back and then one forward. Is very cautious not to be hurt, because really here the personality has to make a boundary, has to create a boundary between itself and the other side, because a new process is starting here, and that new process is participation, being aware now finally that there are other people in the world, it's not only me. The first 3 were only concerned about themselves and doing what they're doing to be stronger, but here Cancer almost senses that now is I'm close to the time when I will need to pick up a mate to combine forces with another person, and then I need to be able to relate in a way that I still survive after that, and because I'm very inexperienced in relationships, I still never have been in relationships, kind of thing. So that's why it's cautious, but it's sensitive enough to start reaching out for it. Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, it's the symbol of fecundation. Is like the mother principle in nature. Mother, moon, these are symbols which are related, and Cancer. This is the caretaking principle, how I take care of something or somebody, how I nurture them and how I nurture myself, because it's the stage where it's the mother in terms of not the mother that tells you how to live your life or brings you up, but it's the mother that takes care of you when you are a young child that's absolutely not protected from the world, and that's whoever is a caretaker in your life will be somehow represented at the bottom of your chart. It's called the 4th house where Cancer is. It corresponds to this bottom here where Cancer starts. Yeah. It's about very easy to form complexes and fears in Cancer, to be scared, to be it's very easy here for things to have happened because everybody has difficulties in one stage or another, and something not very pleasant happens to them. And if you have a lot of water energy and Cancer energy, you may feel defeated, from all of this and want to step back and not participate. So this sign is either the greatest helper of others, the most sensitive, the one that can understand others, great psychologists, people who can connect with you and really care about what's wrong with you. If they have found their own center and if they have drawn that circle and boundary and they're not scared to do that. But they can be the crybabies of the zodiac, the ones that are always hurt, sensitive, or somebody did something wrong to them. They're always the victim, of a tendency to become a victim if this energy is not well integrated.